Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang reading ninyo about your future self. So this is a timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to. As long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Aries. Tingnan muna natin yung timeline para sa inyo. Ano yung timeline ng future self ng mga Aries? What is the timeline? Okay, timeline is 6 years from now. Uy, matagal. Medyo matagal yung 6 years, no? So let's see. For Aries future self. Oh, you have Gabo, you have Isa, and then you have Ahwas. So 6 years from now, I see a lot of travel. No, kasi Ahwas is about traveling, going to places. So kung ikaw yung tipong hindi pa madalas nakakapag-travel or you've never traveled sa ibang bansa, so in 6 years from now, makakapag-travel ka na. Pwedeng through your kids, no? Kung meron ka ng anak, tapos nakapagtapos na sila, maganda yung opportunities nila, then maaring sila yung magbibigay ng opportunity sa'yo na makapag-travel abroad. Or this can be you, no? Kasi meron ditong blessings, no? So, yung maaring mananalo ka ng travel opportunities or meron kang plans of relocating abroad. Malalaman mo yan kung mangyayari na kasi you feel stuck, no? Maaaring makakaramdam ka na parang walang nagbabago, walang nangyayari, but the moment na mag-take ka ng leap of faith mo, then you will experience new opportunities outside of your comfort zone, outside of the place that you are living. So, pwedeng international travel or relocation ang nakikita ko for you. And Gabo is also about blessings, gifts. So, maaring meron kang matatanggap na malaking gift from your loved ones, gift from people na nagmamahal sa'yo. I also see car, sasakyan, no? Kung hindi man sasakyan to, this is travel opportunities or relocation sa ibang bansa. Let's see what else. For Aries future self 6 years from now. You have the 9 of Swords, the 9 of Cups. Oh my God, yung matagal mo nang wini-wish. Ito yung tipong parang feeling mo gusto mo na mag-give up kasi nga feeling stuck ka, walang nangyayari. This is going to be fulfilled para sa'yo. Worth it yung pinaghintay mo. Worth it yung oras, panahon na ginugol mo dyan para makuha mo yung gusto mo. Kumbaga yung tinatawag nilang blood, sweat, and tears, sleepless nights. So, it is going to be successful for you in the next 6 years or 6 years from now. You also have the 8 of Wands. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong travel opportunities. I feel like 6 years from now, yung isang buong taon na yan ay puro travel lang yung gagawin mo. O, diba? Diba, may globe pa dyan, o. Parang pinaplano mo na, hindi pa natatapos yung travel mo sa ibang bansa, pinaplano mo na ulit yung susunod. I see cruise, no? Paaring magku-cruise ship ka. Magku-cruise ka sa isang place na palipat-lipat ng lugar. You have the 5 of Swords. You may also attract some, mga naiinggit or people that don't want you to succeed. So, hayaan mo lang sila. Wag mo silang pansinin. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Yes, you also have the Strength card. Pagkakaroon to ng lakas ng loob So, maaaring meron kang i-confront na tao sa buhay mo na alam mo, hindi naman talaga siya genuinely happy about you. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong sisimulang negosyo or trabaho na kung saan doon kayo magiging very successful. Oo. Whatever this is. Kailangan, ito yung tipong naglakas ng loob ka. Hindi siya yung basta-basta na lang na gagawin ko to kasi gusto ko lang or ito yung uso or dito yung direction na pinupuntahan ng mga tao. This is you na sinimulan mo to kasi ito yung passion mo, ito yung gusto mo, and then definitely you will gain popularity and success. You have the Death card. This is opportunities for you to start something exciting after an ending. So, transformation to for you. You also have the Hermit. So, this is energy ng Virgo. You may be dealing with a Virgo, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Same nyo. Ace of Swords. So, new beginnings, new creative ideas, eureka moment for you. Maaring meron kang isang idea na babago sa buhay mo na maaring na-realize mo to, napanood mo to, na pag-aralan mo to, and when you finally take action doon sa idea na yan, yan yung totally babago sa buhay mo 6 years from now. So, it's time to explore. Exchanging gifts. Definitely meron kang marireceive na magandang regalo. Malaking bagay to for you, no? Itong regalo na to. Material na bagay to eh. This can be a property or malaking halaga na gamit. I also see you leaving a situation that is no longer serving you. This is part of your transformation. Kung nasa toxic situation ka, kasi alam niyo maraming pwedeng mangyari in 6 years, 'di ba? So, yung iba maaring hindi kayo makaresonate, bakit ganoon? Wala naman akong sa toxic situation. Malay mo makapasok ka sa isang toxic situation in the next 6 years. Pero aalis ka pa rin naman because you will focus on developing yourself, improving yourself. So, lahat naman ng mga experiences natin, may reason yan bakit natin pinagdadaanan. Kasi yan yung tutulong sa atin para mas maging better version of ourselves, no? We are here to experience yung mga phases ng buhay natin and learn from our experiences. You have Saturn and Leo in the 5th house. 5th house is about joy, about children. Maaring merong, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung meron kayong anak na 6 years from now gagraduate or makakapagtrabaho na, maaring ito yung hinihintay mo na opportunity para sa kanya. And at the same time, pati ikaw, mabibigyan ka rin ng opportunity na yun. You have Moon in Aquarius in the 11th house. If you have plans na magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay, lupa, sasakyan, yes, you will be able to do that in the next 6 years. Meron kang talent sa technology. You are very creative and at the same time unique. So, meron kang mga unique talents and skills na pwede mong gamitin to improve your life. Some of you meron kayong talent sa communication or you are creating contents for other people. Maaring ikaw ay magiging sikat, no? Oo. And ito yung tipong through the years, like for example, yung mga sumikat nung pandemic, 'di ba? Dahil sa TikTok, YouTube or sa social media. And now, 'di ba, 5 years after, tinan mo ang gaganda na ng mga buhay nila. Naging successful na sila, marami na silang na ipundar, no, sa kanilang life. And also, yung iba sa inyo, makakaalis na kayo sa isang situation that is nililimita kayo from growing, nililimita kayo from exploring new possibilities. Pwede itong situation, relationship, or career, trabaho na hindi ka makakilos ng according sa gusto mo dahil limitado ka. You will also enjoy yung mga simpleng bagay na gawain sa buhay kasi wala ka na masyadong iniisip na iba pang responsibilities. Wow, you are going to shine. Yes. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents, gifts, and you are going to shine brightly. Wow. Ang ganda. So, like what I mentioned kanina, merong focus pagdating sa galing mo, talento mo. And if that is something na gusto mong ma-achieve in the next 6 years, I think hindi mo na kailangan hintayin yung 6 years kasi through the years, you will gain power, you will gain success through your hard work. Kaya kailangan rin talaga, gawan mo ng paraan makaalis ka sa isang sitwasyon na nagbibigay sa'yo ng limitation. Kasi syempre, no, kung magsistay ka lang din dyan, sayang yung opportunity for you. Pag merong dumating na opportunity for you to to leave a situation that is no longer serving your highest good, do it. Kasi yun yung magbubukas ng opportunity for you to expand, explore, try new things, and become more successful than who you were before. So 6 years from now, you are going to be a very successful person na kung saan meron kang sariling paninindigan, no? And you are independent, you are stable. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.